Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the YouTube comments not showing up problem quickly and easily. First, refresh the video page because sometimes comments fail to load due to a temporary glitch. If the issue continues, check your internet connection and reload the page again. Next, make sure comments are not filtered by switching the comment view from Top Comments to Newest First. If you are the channel owner, open YouTube Studio, go to Settings, then Community, and confirm that comments are not disabled or held for review. Also, clear your browser cache or try opening the video in another browser or the YouTube app. Finally, check if YouTube is experiencing a temporary server issue because sometimes comments may disappear until the platform fixes the problem automatically. Subscribe the channel for more videos.